Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we are gonna take a closer look at the entire Trinity Stamps new release for May, but we are also gonna create a card because this video is a part of a video hop celebrating the new release, and all of the information about the release will be listed down below the first link. And you can see I started off with a really fun die set. This is called Backyard Barbecue die set, and it's a huge grill. And it's fantastic for all of those fun summer cards that you're gonna send out, or maybe for a scrapbooking page or something else. I had a blast putting this together, and when I thought I was done, I had a brilliant idea, or I think it was a brilliant idea. You will see in a second what I did. But you can see I'm just taking all of the pieces, I had cut them out, and I'm trying to layer them up where I think they look good. And I actually had an image to look at when I did this. Your packaging will also have an image on how to layer all of this. You can also look at the website for some inspiration from the design team with how to put this together. So I used some liquid glue from Trinity, and then I just put my handle there on top of the lid, and every detail here is just amazing. And then I took some vellum from Trinity. This is a really sturdy, heavy vellum, and I just love my vellum, so you cannot go wrong with that. And I cut out the dies for the Simply Sentimental Dad set that also is being released today. So for my background, I took the new polka dot pattern background stamp and some gray paper and the coordinating dies from Concord and Ninth, and I will line this up to the best of my ability and then continue the pattern so I get it on top of this panel, because this panel or this card will actually end up being 5x7, so it's a larger card front, which means I need to use a larger background stamp or just extend that stamp that I used. So I put some Trinity small strips behind my grill here. I had cut out my dad, the lid, everything was perfect. You will see I'm done with this card now, so I thought. And then I had my brilliant idea. I wanted to turn this into a light up card because this is a foyer, right? And this could easily hide all of the things behind it. So that is what I did. So I had created this card, I was all done, I had embellished it. You can see here, I really like this card, it's quite cute. And then I will rip it all apart. So you can see I took one of the one lights from Pearl Blossom Press. And it comes with all of the things you need. You don't have to do anything. You just pop the battery in place and hide your battery pack behind something. And then you have your light sort of sticking up, making sure that everything works before you glue everything down. You can see here that it works. And when you're happy with everything, it's done. The thing was, I wanted to have a sentiment on top of this, so I had to move the dad part. And when I did that, it looked ugly. So I cut 2 new pieces just to cover up my mistake here, just to have everything clean and nice. And then I can move down the dad sentiment, and I can put like push here, or push me, I think I put. And this is also from Trinity. It was released a couple of years ago, but it's a fantastic set with all of the things you need for creating sentiments for light up cards. So or sort of interactive cards in general. And I just took push me, and I know this sentiment would probably be funny for you, but for me it was like I needed to put the dad on the card, and I liked it where it was, so I didn't want to redo that part. So it will say push me dad. Yeah, probably a funny sentiment, but hey, don't read it like that. It's like, dad, this is a grill for you, push the grill and see what happens. So it's just a fun card. So now our card is finished. You can see how nicely it works. You will see a close-up photo of it here in a second, and I will also try to capture it when I had the light turned off. It was quite hard to catch it. I hope you can see it now. So you will see close-ups, and then stay tuned because I have a close-up video as well for you where I'm talking about all of the things being released today. And as I mentioned, this video is a part of a video hub, so all the information is listed down below. Until next time, have a great day. Bye! Hi, thank you for sticking by and watching the main part of the new May release from Trinity. So I just wanted to go over all of the images in this set after you saw the previous bit of footage where I created a project. So here we have Red Dad stamp and die set. Yours will not be solid, they will be easier to see through. I just have a sample one. And you're the best. Really cute. And they will come packaged like this as well. I just have a sample pack, as I said. And then we have a new Simply Sentimental. This is the dad set. We have the previous released mom set and all of the others, of course. But I just love the font on this and the coordinating dies. I love it. I will probably use this a lot. I love the Simply Sentimentals and the font on those. I just wished there were also hot foiling plates for this, especially this font. I think it's beautiful. And then we have a really fun die. I hope that I use this. I actually am recording this before I start creating with everything, so I don't know actually what images I will be using for the video I just showed you. So that is always fun. This is a back pocket, a stitched pocket die. So it's perfect for gift cards and stuff like that. This is amazing. I cannot wait to use it. I think it's super clever. And then we have a matching stamp and coordinating dies that you can purchase separately. This one is called Smarty Pants. Congrats, Smarty Pants, you did it. You're a genius. Thanks for the great Jens. Great Jens. Mom, dad. Okay, so I don't know, jeans, I believe. So really cute. You have your large piece here that you can repeatedly stamp or have across a panel, separate pair, and of course the coordinating dies for all of the sentiments and everything. Love it. And then we have some dad, I believe dad themed stuff. So the Harry, so this is Father's Day, and this one is called Here Is to Brev. And you have birthday, hobby, and you can see shears and this large hand and mugs that it can hold. I love this. I hope I have time to create with this month. I really love it. Or otherwise this would be perfect for like some other festivities as well. Yeah, that is nice. And then we have such a fun set. This one is called, what is it called? On Grill Believable. So I always have a hard time with the puns on English. I'm trying to read them, but this is the first time I'm actually looking at the stamp set since I got it. So I always have a little bit of a hard time. Let's meet up. That is cute. I get that one. Frank's a lot, I get that one too. Holy smoke, you're up, dad, ungrillable, welcome, invited, happy Father's Day, hey girlfriend, grill friend, I believe, so that is cute. Yeah, such a fun set, and all of your like grill themed stamps that coordinates with this, love it. And then this makes me giddly because this is a grill. It's called a backyard barbecue die set, and it's so large. You can see them on the top of my hand, and it has. Hopefully, I can put an image up here how everything will look assembled because I haven't had time to cut it. As I said, I just got it. So you have your smoke and your like steaks and your tools and the fire and the grill and everything. Such an amazing set. I love it. And then we have some graduation themed products. So you have congrats, you did it. And your little hat and diploma and everything. This one is called You Did It Grad. I love this. I believe this is from Love Dunny Studios, and I love her images like this. I love coloring them and having them at hand.
I love that it comes in one solid stamp. So there is a lot of these previously released, and I am collecting them. I really love them. And then we have some more to like build on this. It's a grad sentiment die set, so you have your shadow and your inlay piece. And then we also have like the tassel here with a shadow piece, and it says congratulations graduate, and it's a hot foiling plate. So this will pair nicely, I think. I'm excited to use those. And then we have polka dot pattern background. It's a really intricate pattern. I hope the camera is picking it up. And by the way, I love these storage pockets that you can buy from Trinity. And then we have the double line checkered background. Also a really fun one. Love to play with these. So I hope you got inspired to check the whole release out. And as I said, there is a video hop as well as an Instagram hop, and lots of more inspiration on Trinity's websites. So I hope you enjoyed this. And by the way, the link to the next person in the hop, I know I mentioned this before, but it's right below this video. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!